Hello, Assalamualaikum student. Today's topic is geometry of hybrid orbital. Okay, so let's start this topic. So as you know that when S plus P and S and P will react in the reactant side, then they will be forming product. And remember one thing that the amount of product depends upon the reactant present in the reactant side. So one more thing I wanna add you that if you haven't watched our previous video, then watch it, because without watching that one video you cannot get this one concept. Okay, so here the amount of means reactant depends upon the amount of product. For example, here we got 1 2, means both will be mixing up and both will be creating their own orbit like this. S plus P will make S plus P plus P plus S will make its orbit S plus SP. So like this 1 2. So here also we are having two orbital, here also we are having two orbital. Okay, so for example, now look at the example of S plus P. Okay, so now there's a three total or atomic orbital, 1 2 3. Okay, so it will be like this: sp² plus sp² plus sp². Okay, one is the orbital of this one orbit, and the other one means this one orbital is the is because of this orbital, and this one mixing orbital is because of this atomic orbital, and this one hybridized orbital is because of this one atomic orbital. Okay, so like this they used to make hybrid orbital. So on the product side they all are hybrid except this one here, hybrid orbitals. So they all are hybrid orbitals here, this one and this one, not this one. Okay, so now here we are having S plus P plus P plus P. Okay, so now they will be forming sp3 plus sp3 plus sp3 plus sp3. Okay, so this thing depends upon the amount of reactant or a quantity of reactant present on a reactant site. Okay, so here we were having four atomic orbital, here we are having four mixing orbitals. Okay, so this is also an hybrid orbital. Okay, here we were having 2p, so that's why we have right here square, and here we were not having any other p except this one, so because of that we didn't write here any power, and here we were having 3, so we have wrote 3 here. Okay, so this is the means general concept. Okay, so now we will draw the structure of these three sp sp2 and sp3 on the basis of these things. Okay, we will not be drawing the means sp2 3d, this one sp2 3d, d d2 sp2 2 d3. Okay, because these are not belongs from our level. Okay, I will be drawing only these orbitals. Okay, for example, here we are having sp. So as you know that in previous video I have said that the sp orbital is having a linear shape. Okay, linear geometrical linear geometry. Okay, linear geometry. So what they will be doing, sp, they will, for example, here s plus sp, here s plus p will react, then they will be forming like this. This is the sp, right? This one is the round shape, this one is s. Okay, plus this one is P. Okay, and now they will be forming like this. This is S and this is P. Okay, so now they are on a 180 degree. Okay, so like this they will be bonding or mixing, not bonding. Okay, so this is having a linear shape, and so now I am going to draw it. So this is a round shape and plus P shape. Round shape, it is having a positive charge, plus P shape, so they will be forming like this. When they both will react or mix, then they will be forming like this. The whole will contain the positive and the smaller will contain negative. Okay, and like this one whole will contain positive and this one will be containing negative, and the angle between these two geometrical state will be 180 degree angle. Okay, so like this there is a shape of sp, and this one shape called linear geometry. Okay, so now we are having another orbital, hybrid orbital. So this was the first one, now we are having the second one. The another hybrid orbital is s plus p plus p. Okay, do you guys know that why I have made two here and two here? Means one is here and the other one is here. Cause of, because the cause is this, that one sp, this is the means mixing of sp or means sp, and this one is a mixing of another sp. For example like this, s plus p. One atomic orbital will react with the other atomic orbital will create one hybrid orbital, and this one atomic orbital will react with this one atomic orbital and will form another hybrid orbital. So this sp is here in the right side, and this that one sp is on the left side. So this is the complete geometry of sp. Okay, so now here when s plus p will react, then they will form sp square plus sp square plus sp square means 3. Okay, so now I'm going to draw it. So first for example round shape will react with the this one. Okay, plus uh, this, I'm drawing only one. For example, I'm drawing only this one. Okay, plus this one. So how they will be forming? So they will be forming like this. For example, whole will be containing the positive charge and the smaller will contain the negative charge. Okay, so this is the structure of only, means you may say sp². Okay, all the positive side will be at the one side and all the negative side on the other side. Okay, this one negative side here, and this all positive side is here. Okay, so now they are in 3, means 1 2 3, and it's only sp2 structure. It's a geometry of only sp2, one sp2. Okay, but there are 3. So how we gonna draw it? Like this, one. Okay, and the other one will be coming here, 2, and the other one will be coming here, 3. So leave it, I will draw here. Okay, so the one will be going here like this, and the other one will be going here like this, and the last one will be going here like this. So all containing here till now positive. So let me draw the negative side as well. So this one is the negative side of this one, negative. This one is the negative side of this, and this is the negative side of this. So for as you guys know that I have said in my previous video, they will be forming a trigonal shape. So it is forming a trigonal shape like this one. This one was forming a linear geometry, like a linear with an angle of 180, and it is forming this trigonal, and the angle between these is 120 degree, as I have mentioned in my previous video. So like this they are having the angle of 120 degree, and cause it is forming a trigonal shape, so cause of that we have said or give a name to it as a trigonal hybrid orbital, trigonal hybrid orbital. So now go for the last one, which is sp3. Hope you guys are understanding my lecture. So here how sp3 will be formed. So when s plus p plus p plus p will react, they will form the 4 sp3 hybrid orbital, 1 2 3 and last one 4. Okay, so like this they will be forming 4 hybrid orbital. Okay, so now we are going to draw the geometry of one sp3. So one sp3 is simply like that we have already make the structure in the previous uh, hybrid orbital. Okay, plus minus plus minus. Okay, suppose that this is the, not suppose, this is the s orbital, this is a p, this is a p, and this is the another p. Now they will be forming like this. All the plus sign will join together and will form a big plus sign, and all the negative sign will form a negative sign. Now you will be asking a question that why negative sign is not means bigger, or why it is not equal. So I could answer that because here is only 3 negative side present, and here is a bigger positive side present, so which will help the product to increase the size of positive side, and decrease the size of negative, because only the 3 negative side are present in a sp3 orbital. Okay, so this one is only the one sp3. Okay, but here the product will be of 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. Okay, so now let's draw the structure of this one. For example, like this. Okay, like this one is the negative side, and like this. Okay, and like this. Okay, so now they are forming means tetrahedral shape. You may see it. Let me draw it properly. So tetrahedral means like this thing, 4 corner shape. So they are forming a 4 corner shape. You may see this like this one side to this one side is like this one a to b. Okay, c d. This one side is like a to b, this one side is like b to c, and this one side is like c to d, and this one side is like d to a. So now they are forming a tetrahedral shape. So that's why we have given this geometrical shape name as a tetrahedral hybrid orbital. Hybrid orbital. Now you will ask that why it is having an angle of 109.25. So I would say that this one is a tetrahedron, and cause of that, it is a tetrahedral. Cause of that, it is forming an angle of 109.25 degree angle. So hope you guys have enjoyed this lecture. We will see you in the very next video.